Welcome to my channel.
Twitter Edit Tweet feature now rolling out to Blue subscribers in these countries. Twitter on Monday said a feature to edit tweets is being rolled out to those subscribing to its Blue service in Australia, Canada, and New Zealand. The long-awaited editing tool test went well, so it is being made more widely available, the San Francisco-based tech firm said in a tweet, adding that it is coming soon to the United States. Edit Tweet is a feature that lets people make changes to their tweet after it's been published, the company said on its blog. Think of it as a short period of time to do things like fix typos, add missed tags, and more. The tool will let users edit a tweet up to 5 times within 30 minutes of initially posting, Twitter said. An icon looking like a slanted pen or pencil will indicate that a tweet has been edited, and a version history will be available to show what was changed, Twitter said. Twitter Blue subscriptions are priced at $5, roughly 400 rupees, monthly, according to the company's website. Tesla chief executive Elon Musk, who is locked in a lawsuit with Twitter over his effort to break his $44 billion, roughly 3.5 rupees lakh crore, deal to buy the global social media site, had backed an edit button shortly before the company said in April it was studying the change. Users of Twitter Blue, the subscription offering now available in the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, receive early access to features and help us test them before they come to Twitter. The company said, an aim of the tweak is that tweeting will feel more approachable and less stressful, Twitter said while testing the feature.